Hello, my friend. How are you? I said already what I need to sense in the big video. Problem one is please use same female voice as the past video. I mean this line. If you already did one video for me and you used a female voice, I want the same female voice all of my video, and please use my bending color in the thumbnail. uh, Here you used the this bending color in the thumbnail, but I want to use my bending color. Okay, understand? If I need to explain every time, every single video, all of these things is very much pain for me. Hope you understand. And please use this thumbnail photo in female. Okay. uh, because of in the video most of footage all are female. I hope you understand this point. And next point is the in the video you don't use my bending color. Okay, this is the problem I will show you. When I play the video, then I saw this bending color is the good, same as like my logo. Okay, but but it, this is color is not same is my bending color. You can use here green color, same as my logo color. Use just one two color here. I need green color combination here. Okay, and another main problem, you use the logo JPG format. Here is the C in the logo. The why wh- if if I see in the logo, see there, in the logo background you use white background color, but I need that no background color. I mean transparency that you already use in the reels. You used logo as like reels is the goods, but in reels again the problem is you used my logo half of side. Okay, I need to show here the full side of logo. Hope you understand all the point. And please keep note all of these things. I will not explain every time, every single video like this. It's the very much time waste for me. Hope you understand. Thank you again for your hard work. Assalamu alaikum.